Guys, today I'll discuss about the like it is the second lecture of Express. In this lecture, I'll discuss about how to render the HTML pages by Express. I also discussed this uh, in my login and sign up playlist. You can check it out there. Or for your convenience, I'm making for you that lecture another time. That this lecture will link up that Express playlist. For your convenience, um, I'm making it again. That first make a folder and then go to the terminal and install Express. I think you all know that. But first, npm initialize the npm. Then enter, then enter it and initialize and install the npm. Then it's installing and then install the Express. You can say it is installing the Express and go to the package.json and check it out once that Express is appeared in dependencies or not. Okay, so now make your server folder which I'm making the name app.js and js. So I'm making another folder to keep my HTML pages. First is index.html. I'll obviously use Bootstrap. I'll not waste my time in HTML making the HTML pages. So for now I'll use Bootstrap. So search Bootstrap and go to the Bootstrap 5. Go to the documents and if you search, at first you need to I'm just adding the boilerplate and then you need to just go to the introduction. How to to connect the Bootstrap. Just copy the Bootstrap style link, just copy it and paste it over there, and then the Bootstrap.js bundle, and also paste it over uh, after the body. Sorry, being in second, trying to what is happening. B then so now you can save it, and now search their navigation bar. You will see the different types of navigation bar will appear. It is this type, and there are many more types. That that navigation. I'm copying this navigation bar and paste it over here in the body. You can also understand the concept of the bootstrap in this lecture. Means a little bit. Now save it, and actually I will see if my bootstrap is working or not from the live. Where is my go live option? So it's coming in. As you can see that my bootstrap is working, and if you give it a dark space and the navigation bar will be dark, and I like the dark mode, obviously, so I prefer the dark. For that, I'm just deleting the lists. So I'm deleting the list. So I'm giving it also the class name active, and then I'm giving this name about. Okay, save it right there, and I am giving the link which is home. It is slash, and giving the URL which is about. You can set any URL. It's your choice which you are selecting. So first saying that yes, it is working, and then uh, delete the go live option, and then uh, creating your server, serve your HTML pages. Okay. So like at first, what you have done, like connect the Express app. Once Express, you need to give the require, and then Express, and then tab equals to Express. Use the Express, and then also make a path equals to connect the path using require, and then also give a code which I am giving. The code is 1500. It is a random number, and then which you have to do. You have to you have to just you have to connect the middlewares. No, you have not to connect in this one. If you use the templates, then you need to connect the middlewares to rendering the templates like Park, text file like these ones. But for the HTML files, you don't need to like connect the middlewares from directly app.get method. From get method, like we'll use the index. Not this one. We'll use the URL, which is this default. The default URL is this, and then a callback function. This callback function takes the request and respond. Then you have to give the respond as the HTML pages. So you should use the res dot send file. You have a send file. Yes, you can see that send file option, and then path. You should use the to join the path, and give the desired name, and then give the path which is view. You can see index.html is in the views folder. Then in the views, go to the views, and then slash from views. You need to render the index.html. So I think it should work, and save it, and also listen the code which is app.listen. I give the app.listen, listen the code which is 4500. But then start the server, and I'm not using the like I should use Node 1. But so why it is talking right is a Node app. starting the server step, and the server starts, and then go to your server, right? But there, uh, but I have given 4,500. Yes, you can see that I get the response. I only give the navigation bar, and I don't give when you click in the home about, don't give any response. Actually, I give the response in the home, like I give the give this URL, and also uh, I get the URL and give this response. So if you click at home, you can see that this navigation bar, this index.html file is appears. But if I click in about, it is showing that cannot get slash about, because I give the about part, give the href is slash about, but they didn't give any response from my server. If when I click the about is not working right now, and I will make another HTML which is about dot HTML. So I copy it once, but I copied it, and then I add after the navigation bar, or you can understand that it is the different page. So I give that this is the about page. So you can distinguish between the index.html and about.html. So and I should give the response when I get the slash about URL. When I get the slash about URL, it also takes the request from respond. It is a callback function, and it is also add a function. I have done. I give a extra bracket like, and then give the response. Actually, copy it and then take it to this, then delete it. So and here I'm I'll enter the about.html, save it, and I'll see if it is working or not, and then click Ctrl C from to exit the server. You can see that it is automatically toggling once again. Okay, so um, if you use node.mon, then you just click, you just save it to clicking Ctrl plus S, and it will show up here. But I am not using node.mon right now, so I need to exit the server first. So exit the server by clicking Ctrl plus Ctrl plus C, and then start the server again. Node app. So it will not give any error, and then restart the server, and then home is this one. And when I click the about, you can see that it appears. This is the about. I also distinguish a little bit more, like I change the color of the navigation bar. Success. I give the success is the blue color, sorry, green color in Bootstrap. So when you use Bootstrap, automatically it is like so. You know, refresh it second, and then the home page and about page. Actually, I give the success in index.html. Okay, don't have any issues. I'm not styling the page, so like I'm not discussing many discuss about the HTML. You can see that when I click the home, also you can see that the color is not like color is blue, so it is not visible properly. By CSS you can change the color to white so that it will be highlighted. For now I am not changing the color or nothing else. Okay, so when I click the home, you can see that it is the index.html, and when I click the about page, it is rendering the about.html, which I give, and the URL is slash hub. So this is for today, and in the next lectures I will try to how to make the PUC files, and then PUC files, and there are many more templates. I used PUC files once before, but I am not really very comfortable with the PUC files and comfortable with the HTML files. So whenever I render any pages from my server, I obviously create a HTML file. But PUC file is for your convenience. PUC file is created, and PUC file is also like very easy to understand, and it is very easy to understand for the beginners. And there are many EJX, but EJX is also a template, and there are many more. So, but I use HTML many times, and I will try to create a video in the PUC files, how to render the PUC files. So how to render the PUC files using using Express. And Express is nothing more than that. When you like make a project, and I am making a playlist that how to sign in for the first time in pages. If you uh, sign up, if you create an account for the first time in Facebook, what you should do? You just go to the sign up, and then your username, password, email ID, then many more, and just if the sign up, create the account for the first time, and then what you have done, you have just go to the Facebook, then log in. Means you are giving the username and password, and then you will go to the, you can, if the that matches, you will go to the home page of the Facebook. So I'm making this playlist. In this playlist I also like cover the express part. You will also understand when you making a project, you will understand that how to like give the get request, how to give the method of get request. It is only get request. How to uh, like give the post request, how to get the post request, and then collect the data from users. You can check it out from my playlist, that sign in, and login page. I'm saying like in the second lecture of the playlist, I discussed about how to how to take the data from the user, which have user input for sign up pages, and uh, save it to the database. If you check out my that lectures, you will understand many more concepts of Express. So Express, I don't think Express is nothing more than that. Like I'll make a I'll make the video that I'll try to make the video of the pub files, that how to render the templates using Express. So that is fine. Like understand the Express. Okay. So and yes, there are many more things in the Express. But if you make the projects in the future, uh, then you will understand the many more concepts of the Express. If you stuck in anything, then just go to the Google documentation and then read it out, and then try to solve with your own. And if you check out my that playlist, sign in and login playlist, you will understand the many more concept of Express, that how to get the data and how to save the data, many more concepts. it is for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like our videos and like the videos and subscribe to our channel, it is very helpful for me and motivating for me. So see ya, stay healthy, stay safe, have a great day.